leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Well guys, it's a sad morning for me because I have to leave Balnasar today, and when I'm leaving Balnasar I also have to leave Minifarius, and it's a little sad for me because I've had some good times with you, all of you. I'm going to miss you all very much. Barbara, you're whining and you know it's always going to work in the end, so stop it. And Ruka, a man on a mission. It's been great to have some nights. You beat me, but still. Mevin, if you ever want to come to jail, come to Denmark. I'll make a nice trip to jail for you. And Aisha, it's been really good to break with you too. And hi, and yeah, if all of you, it's been really great. I'm leaving to another server because for some time some people have, some of my real friends, or IRL friends, have bugged me to come play with them, and I've refused because I've loved to play Minifarius so much, and well, they got me last night, so well, now I have to leave. I have some really good time with you. I think level 70 while I was in Minifarius. I raided for the first time in Minifarius. So basically if it wasn't for you guys I wouldn't be the player I am today, so I'm really grateful for that. I'm hoping I'm still welcome in the forums to check up how you're doing, and in the homepage generally. And I've still got a main or alt at the balance. I'm going to keep there. A shame that I'm going to level. It won't be that fast, but still I'm going to level it, so I will still be there, but not that much. But Ramberg is going, and he's going to Akraman. He'll change his name, so I'll from today be called Healing Spree, because Killing Spree wouldn't be so good for Holy Palace, so I thought Healing Spree would be really nice. But enough of that. I'm really sorry I have to leave you, and I hope you all understand, and there's no hard feelings and all of that, because it's been really, really great playing with all of you. So yeah, see you all, good luck, best wishes for me.